going to be a little different. I was contacted by a company, let's say a week before last. Yeah. Asking me if I would review their headlights for them. I'm still shocked that people even watch my content. I'm glad they do. I'm happy they do. But I'm still I'm shocked that people watch my content enough that they take me seriously enough to know that I'm going to give an honest opinion about something, and they ask me to review products. Now, I'm not going to lie, these were sent to me for free. I didn't pay for them. They wanted me to pay for them first and then send me a reimbursement to my PayPal, but that was kind of sketchy to me. And I'm like, if you want to send them to me, I'll review them. I'll give them an honest review. Not a problem, but I'm not going to pay for them. If you want a paid review, then that's something you need to look at Amazon for. But these are Nilight LED lights. Now, I'd already got LEDs in the actual headlights of this truck, and they are doing a very good job. They're BeamTech. Those came from beamtech.com. Now, those were actually a recommendation of another YouTuber. His name is Todd on the channel, the YouTube channel Unwrecked. And he's the reason that I bought them in the first place. He liked the way those were built, the way they installed, the fact they didn't have a fan on them to die out. They just had heat sinks on them. The heat sinks was fine, not a problem. Actually, I love that about them myself because it didn't have that extra point of failure. Now, I don't know what these are like. The ones I saw on their webpage actually had fans on the back of them. If these have fans on them, they will not stay in my truck. I'm not going to have my truck burning up. Because that can always happen. It says made in China. Now, these are for my fog lights, which is convenient in a way too, because one of my fog lights just went out. So let's get into these and see what's what here. Alright, yeah, see there, made in China. Little white label over here. I guess they're just as proud of their stuff as we are of ours. Now, this is called a Nilight, Nilight, and these are EF1 9006, which is the model number of the bulbs that go in my my fog lights. Yeah, fog light bulbs. New. It better be new. I don't want nobody's used garbage. Okay, it came with a warranty card. Not real sure what kind of warranty you get with them, especially since they were free. If you have any issue with the product or need technical support, Nilight team is always here to help and make sure you're 100% satisfaction. We offer 2-year warranty. 2 years. That's pretty good for a set of headlights, especially since they don't know if you've got a vehicle that's got shorts or whatever else. And then this is the instruction manual, which, come on, if you really need instructions to install lights, you got more issues than just burnout headlights. Now, these in the instruction manual do not show with fans on them. Now, I haven't looked at these yet. I just opened it up. But if these are the heat sink ones like the BeamTechs, I've got no issue putting these in. I actually like those better. And it does not appear that they are. These are heat sink lights. That right there is huge to me. Because like I said, it doesn't have the fan in the back, so that's another point of failure that's eliminated just by being a heat sink bulb. They look like they're constructed rather well, actually. Of course, I'm not sure how bright they'll be. They've only got 3 LEDs on each side of the little board. I might be surprised though. I'll put them in and when I get back home. Have to run an errand real quick before it gets too late. It's like 6:30 now. And well, let me put those instructions back in here too. And now I wasn't offered a code or anything for any of my viewers. This is just a review of the lights themselves. If they work well, and they seem to be constructed really well, but if they work well and they shine good at night, then I'll see about getting either a discount code for Amazon, or see if they can come up with something that my viewers can get a discount on or with. Now I'm gonna get to running, and so you don't have to hear my air conditioner just gushing the whole time. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off, and when I get back, I will actually show me installing them, because it's not that hard. The fog light housing's right under the bumper on the front, so it's kind of self-explanatory, but some people like seeing that happen to see that we actually did it. So let me hurry up and get over to my buddies and get back, and I'll go ahead and do that swap, and we'll see how well these things perform. Of course, by then it'll probably be dark, so dang, that's bright. By then it'll probably be dark, so it'll be a good testament for how they perform. I wish that guy would ham his dogs up. Anyway, we'll be back in just a little bit. Now, as I stated, the one bulb is out. This thing is trying to do its own thing. The passenger side bulb, of course, it looks backwards on the camera right now for some stupid reason. But the passenger side is actually the light that's out. That one right there. That's the passenger side. Why this thing's reversed, I have no clue. But I'm getting ready to swap them, and I'll show you the difference. See how the light's kind of yellow? Well, I guess if you get in the beam, it's not. But the headlights are bright white, and the driving lights are yellow. So these being sent to me and them being LEDs was a welcome offer. Okay. Now, whoop. These are fairly easy to replace. Not sure if it's seeing everything or not, but you just grab the wire and twist, and it comes right out, like so. And then of course you've got the clip on the back. Ooh, getting dirt all in my eyes. Dadgummit. Ooh, and that sucker's hot too. Dadgum. These were the Sylvania Ultra Brights. You can't see nothing now. Sorry about that. I figured I'd get back before it was too much darker. Ouch. Oh, God dang, that thing still burns me twice. Alright. Take this one. Oh, much brighter. Much, much brighter. Plug dried up. Yeah, I'm not putting it back in that box yet. It'll light that box on fire. But there it is, all hooked up. And now, doesn't want to focus on it. Now you can see that they're both bright white. And I've got a burnt finger. Now, I've got both lights, both bright white to match the LED headlights. And they've got a pretty good pattern on the road too. They actually widen the field of view quite a bit. Well, oh, I got that courtesy thing. There we go. For some reason, this light is actually shining out this way. Oh no, that one is too. Okay. That's just the fog lights. And it's lighting up the ground pretty good. Not bad for LEDs. But there you have it. They were really easy to install. Of course, I need to polish that lens. Holy cow, that thing looks like it's been in a mud puddle. And it probably has. But they're easy to install. I like the fact that they don't have a fan on them, on the back of them. The ones I've gotten the headlights are the same way. That's the way BeamTech made theirs. And so far, I mean, the longevity will be the only test to go through now. But the longevity test aside, I like these. They actually seem like a really, really sturdy built light. And I'm not just saying it because they gave them to me. They're not, they don't have the same heat sink on them that my headlights had, but they have one on them that should keep it cool still. So I don't foresee any real problems with them. And if there is, I'll update it and let you know. But I think these should be just fine. They should fit the bill just perfectly. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you again soon.